It's June 16th, 2014. We're near south of Norfolk on the first what we call storm of the day. We've got Zeke there, and we've got our storm right there. You can see. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. There she is. Large tornado right over there, coming right into Stanton right now. It's okay. One more right there. Wow, look at that thing, the tornado.
This is ridiculous.
Pull up. Oh, we don't want to get stuck. Look at that thing go. Two tornadoes. We got two on the ground right here.
Alright, the one in the north looks like it's trying to maybe.
Look at that thing go. No, this doesn't get any better than this, I'm telling you. It's okay, I got it covered. I think we can pick a look at that. Holy smoke.
Still fight, out to the right. This is unreal. Is that a double wedge?
Wow, dude. Another one. We're gonna get on another
tornado working.
We're pretty darn close. There it is.
It's on the ground.
Look at that thing go.
Oh, that's condensate for the ground.
He's down.
He is planted.
Look at that thing.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that thing.
Oh, wow. Yeah, let me pull off so you can get some steady footage.